Do you want to print just a selection from within your document? It's easy to do when you adjust the settings that Word uses when printing. This quick tip shows you just how easy it really is. There are times when you don't want to print an entire document, but only a specific portion of the document. You can do this in Word. Just start by selecting the portion that you want printed. For instance, you might want to print just these paragraphs right here. You can see that I have them selected, and then all I have to do is press the Control P button, and that brings us to the back office area where all the print settings are made. Right now, you should note that we are set to print all of the pages within the document, the whole document, in other words. But I can select right here, and I can choose to print selection. It's the second option right there. And when I do that, nothing changed over here at the right side of the screen. In other words, the print preview still looks like we're going to print the whole document. But since I've specified that I want to print just the selection, when I click on the print button up here, then just that selection will be printed. You should note that when you print a portion of your document in this manner, there are some things that are not printed. For instance, headers, footers, and line numbers are not typically printed when you print just a selection. The only thing that gets printed is the text that you selected. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the WordTips channel. Thanks for spending a few moments with me today.